Hello there everyone, welcome back to Ants Authority. Today we will discuss about the topic why do ants eat dead animals. In this video we will discuss about this topic in detail, so let's start the video. Ants eat dead animals as they are omnivores, decomposers and scavengers and get nutrition from decaying bodies. It is easier to extract nutrients from dead bodies than to catch and kill a living animal. Moreover, predatory ants are carnivores like meat ants and bullet ants that can reach a decaying body by its smell when foraging for food. Ants get attracted to strong odors as their sense of smell is much stronger than other organisms on this planet. It allows them to detect dead animals in their territory and eat them for nutrition. Living or dead animals are part of ants' diet as these insects are omnivores and their food is based on plant matter, insects and animals. It is challenging for these tiny insects to locate and capture a living organisms in their surroundings, as larger organisms can easily squish them under their feet. Moreover, you can find decayed cockroaches and flies covered with a swarm of ants because these insects prefer to attack motionless bodies when they feel no threat to survival. Cockroaches, caterpillars and grasshoppers are good sources of fats, carbohydrates and small micronutrients like phosphorus, manganese, copper and potassium. The decaying bodies produce a typical strong smell due to decomposition and nutrients that attract ants. Houseflies are rich in fatty acids like palmitic acid and myristic acid. Dead insects and animals are a good source of proteins and minerals like iron, magnesium and calcium locked inside their bones and meat. They can also kill and eat insects posing a threat to their territory and resources. In addition, these insects need a good quantity of carbohydrates to perform energy-consuming activities. However, queens and larvae need protein-rich food during reproduction and growth phase because malnutrition can affect their developmental processes. In the same way, the bodies of larger and smaller animals like lions, elephants, mice, and rats are also a good source of protein and fat for these tiny insects. It is not difficult for ants to reach dead animals as their olfactory receptors are so strong that they can detect the odor of decomposing bodies in their surroundings. During decomposition, the decaying bodies give off a pungent odor due to the production of toxic gases like ammonia, methane, and hydrogen sulfide. Their olfactory receptors can capture these odor molecules and allow them to move in the direction of food. The worker release pheromones after reaching a dead body to invite other fellows. Accordingly, you can see a large number of these insects crawling toward the decayed body in no time. It does not matter whether it is living or dead for these insects, but it needs to be motionless, as these tiny insects are afraid of moving bodies. An ill cat or mouse can be at risk of their attack if they cannot move to get rid of these insects from their bodies. They will begin biting decaying bodies and chewing their skin to get meat, so they can reach decomposing and rotting bodies of dead organisms using their sense of smell and attack them in a group by calling others through pheromone signals. Carcasses of dead animals are valuable for ants as they help fulfill their nutritional deficiencies and provide the bulk of energy. Moreover, their dead bodies serve as a long-term food source. A swarm of these insects crawls over these decayed and decaying bodies and begins to chew the skin slowly. It takes a lot of time to eat the whole organism, but they will consume it till the last part of the meat. Moreover, workers and foragers create many holes in their skin and move inside their bodies to consume the meat, providing a lot of energy and boosting their foraging functions. They release a chemical in their bodies to dissolve their complex muscles and flesh, making it easy for ants to break and digest their flesh. Complex bodies will be broken into smaller parts as they have to carry these pieces back to their nest. Workers can collectively lift heavier chunks to take them back to mounds and feed nest mates. Most probably you have seen a group of these insects carrying the legs or wings of cockroaches on their tiny abdomens, while a few prefer to eat and store food in their crops that can be used to feed the queens and larvae. Most colony members will reach the dead body and enjoy the nutritious feast. Thanks for watching the video.